The Mortons' 6-month Alaskan adventure is well underway. They've already had up-close encounters with brown bears at Katmai National Park and caught a bounty of pink salmon in the waters off Valdez. They've traveled solo up to this point, and now it's time for them to link up with some fellow RVers for a whole new type of adventure.
Doing an RV trip like this to Alaska is a daunting task, and even for us, it was challenging at times. Just the preparation, putting it together, and actually making the trip, figuring everything out. But we did have the opportunity to see an alternative way where we joined up with Fantasy RV Tours that takes care of all of that planning for their guests.
We met up with Fantasy RV Tours in Dawson City, and that's where we met the wagon master, who is kind of the leader of the Caravan group, and the tail gunner, who is the person who brings up the tail end on driving days and helps people out with any sort of breakdowns or repairs that happen on those moving days. We got acquainted, we met everybody, and we started hanging out and doing some of the group activities that they plan.
Dawson City is a cute, historic town that still embodies the gold rush days that the Yukon and Alaska is known for. The historic downtown buildings are a lot of fun, and they have some really unique activities that we joined up with the group to see the town, go to a gambling hall and hang out, watch some shows, and also do the sour toe cocktail. The sour toe cocktail is unlike anything we'd ever seen before. It is a shot that is served with a human toe dropped into it, and you have to take the shot and the toe has to touch your lips.
The drink is dispensed by a tow captain, and we all stood in line and waited our turn, kind of cheering each other on and egging each other on if there was any hesitancy. But by the end, we were all laughing and having a great time. It was a really great way to break the ice and get to know everybody in the group. We got to travel with this group for a while, and it was really interesting to see how they traveled. When we met up with them, we thought maybe that would just be a line of motorhomes going down the road from point A to point B on move days, but there really was a lot of flexibility built into it. People could leave when they were comfortable, they could arrive when they were comfortable, they could stop and see things on the route, so it wasn't so restricted.
We also got to join them on some of the excursions that they went on. They experienced a lot of the same things that we did, but as a group. And a few things that we did was we went on a boat cruise with them and got to see some of the fjords. We also got to do some special things that they as a group get to do, like at the Alaska Sea Life Center, we got up close and personal with some puffins that a lady brought in just for our group.
Besides the planned excursions, there was also a lot of camaraderie around the campfire, making s'mores and things like that. Just a lot of friendships being made, a lot of stories being told. I actually celebrated my birthday with that group, and everybody sang happy birthday to me. They gave me a special little dessert. I got a little party hat, and like that was really special. That was really, we could really see that that was one of the benefits that traveling in a group like that could bring, because, you know, the rest of the time that we were traveling, we were on our own for the most part.